In this video, I'm going to show you how to create lot stickers for your auctions. It's a really cool way that you can organize your lots for your physical space, just a good way to keep track of which item belongs to which lot, and just a very quick way to generate the stickers. Hopefully saves you a lot of time in the long run. So what we're going to do is, first off, we're going to go into an auction that you want to make stickers for. And at the top here, where it says lot stickers, we're going to click in on this. And this is the creation page. So this is a sample of what it looks like. It'll show the lot number here. You can either have the name of the auction, or you can have the name of your website, whatever you want to do to keep it organized. This is where the number will be for the lot. And then this is the auction ID here. Now, all these can be changed by just moving your cursor over it. If you wanted to make it ID 5 or whatever, you totally can. Add an extra number. Same here. So for this, I think for the sake of this demonstration, let's just use the auction. So let's go car collection. ID 4. The lot numbers will generate themselves when you make it. To start off, I would highly recommend following these instructions here for the proper alignment of the stickers, because what this does is it creates a series of stickers that fill out the entire page. Whether you're using Pages or Word or whatever software to make documents, these settings will fill out the entire page from top to bottom without any overlap or any kind of issues like that. So for the page margin, I'm just going to use these settings that we have down here in the information box. So we recommend using 1.27 centimeters from the top, and then 0.3356 centimeters for the left and right margins. And then the lot range is simply just the lowest number to the highest lot number that you want to print out. So for example, 0 to 100. So I think in this case we have 0001 up to 0150. Of course, they can be wherever you want. If you only want to do half the lots, you can do that. Just put in 50 to whatever you want. But let's go with the full lot. And then after that we have the lot prefix and postfix. They're basically just if you want to add any extra numbers or letters in front of the lot number for the sake of bookkeeping or whatever you want to do. I don't know, for example, P for pickup, anything like that, prepaid, you can do so. You can add up to 4 letters if I remember correctly. Yeah, you can add 4 characters on each side. And then when you're finished, click on Create Stickers. So then it'll automatically open up the print view on the website right here with all the stickers. And it has all our settings that we have put on the page beforehand. And then once you're finished and you're happy with all the information you have in front of you, you can just, in the destination on the right hand side of the view here, you can either download them as a PDF or send them to a software or printer and print them off there. And then all that's left is just putting the stickers on the items for each lot. And you now have everything organized exactly as it is on the website. And that about does it for the video. We hope you find this feature useful and that it saves you plenty of time when it comes to organizing your lots. And thank you for watching.